So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? A museum has a room in the shape of a rectangle. The area of the floor is 960 square feet. In a scale drawing of the museum, 1 inch is 20 feet. If the length of the room is 2 inches in the scale drawing, that's important. What's the width? So it's 960 divided this by 400. Cancel this out. We get 24 over 10, which is 2.4. Divide this by 2 is 1.2. And the answer is A. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we have a huge museum in the shape of a rectangle with 960 square feet area. So let's draw this out, right? So this area here, it's a rectangle, it's 960 square feet. Now, we do not know each side. However, we do know the conversion. 1 inch is equal to 20 feet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert this big area into the scaled area. Well, I know the area is length times width. So if I divide the length by 20 feet and I also divide the width by 20 feet, I'm going to get this scaled area. So how can I do this? Well, I just have 960 and I divide this by 20 and then divide this by another 20, essentially multiply my denominator by each other. So I have 960 divided this by 400. Now I can start canceling stuff out. So the first thing is to cancel the zeros, which is 96 over 40. Now I'll just cancel stuff by 4 quickly. So the top is going to get to 24, the bottom is 10. So now that's just nicely 2.4. So this is 2.4 inches squared. That is the area scaled. Now, if I'm to redraw this, right? So this is a smaller rectangle, which is 2.4 inches squared. Now here I do know that the length is 2 inches. So I know that this is 2 inches. Now the question is, what is the width? Well, in order for me to find the width, I just have to do 2.4 divided by the 2 inches, by this length. And I get 1.2, which is my width. And of course, 1.2 inches. That is my answer. Now the question is, which of the multiple choices will match that? 24 inch, 40 inch is too much. It's obviously between A and B. The A is 1 and 1/5, which is 1.2, which is matches our answer. The answer is A. That's it.